Hey there, thanks for stopping by my channel. Look what landed on my doorstep today, the new Grace and Gratitude Devotional Kit by Illustrated Faith and Dayspring. So let's go ahead and open up our box and see what we got. So this kit is not going to be available until the 19th of November. So if you go, I'll put a link to it down in the description box, but if you click on it before then, it's going to say it's out of stock. So if you just wait for it to come back in stock on the 19th, then you can go ahead and order it. So one of the options this month is going to be the little sticker sheet. So you can order this extra. You can get just this packet, or you can get an additional add-on with these little stickers, and they're green and pink. Aren't they cute? And you get 336 stickers. So a couple of sheets. I think that's pretty cool, by Maggie Holmes. So let's go ahead and open up our wrapper here. See what they got in here. I really loved last month, so we'll see what they continued to have this time. Okay, so first off, let's see. We've got our little card that tells you what's in the kit from Shanna. And then on the other side, you've got the little swatches up here that tell you what the colors are for your Grace and Gratitude kit. So in case you want to take this and pick out some Faber-Castell pens or some paint or stuff like that, you can look at that. And then you've got some key scriptures over here that you can go by. And this is also kit number 2. There's going to be 3 kits all together for this one, and last month sold out. So if you want this one, make sure that you head over and grab it up right away, because I'm assuming that it will also sell out. So we've got that. We got a little card. And then we have, let's turn this, we've got some washi tape, and our washi tape is black and white plaid. That. Let's stick that on here. Like this. So look at that. Pretty. I like it. This will be perfect for other things too, besides when I'm all done. All right, and then you're going to have your little packet of cards like we got last time. Get these, of course, they have to be in this great plastic wrapper that's hard to get open. All right, so you've got a bunch of cards. They say hope, and then do they all say hope? Let me see. Nope. Joy, peace. So hope, joy, and peace. Love. Hope, love, joy, and peace is what they say. And then on the back, you're going to have a verse, and this one says closeness at the top. So it looks like each one is going to have a verse, and then you're going to have a prompt up here. So you have closeness and then your verse that you can look up in your Bible, or if you're following along with the Grace and Gratitude 100 days, you can use those in that. So that's really cool. I love that. I really like this little label like stamp they used up here. That's cool. Okay, so then we have, in case you ripped your sticker, you have the new, you have a Grace and Gratitude sticker. And then, what's this? Is this stickers? Yeah, stickers. So you've got some pretty green, yellow, and peach colored stickers. And this kit is geared towards Advent. So you've got the reindeer and some Christmas trees and a little snow globe over here. And then you've got a couple of words that look exactly like the little words on the back of the cards. I think that's really cool. Okay, and then what do we got? We got this. So let's see. Why is it always the plastic is just so difficult? Get this out. Throw that away. Okay, so over here we've got some prompts. So you've got a little story. Hope is a 4-letter word. Then you got a little, you got your verse. Then you got a little story under here, and then you got some questions down here that you could use to answer in your Bible or in your devotional book if you're using that. Same thing. So you're gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4 to go with the hope, love, joy, and peace. Cool. Then what do we have? We have some tabs that you can use on your Bible, and these are not stickers, these are just cardstock. And then they've got some words down here that you can also punch out and use in your Bible. So you get 2 sheets of those. And then you've got a stamp set. Oh my good golly. Let's just see if we can turn this over and so you can see a little bit better. Look at that. Look at this cute little bear and a little reindeer. Aren't they cute? Adorable. And I love this little moon with the little things, the stars that hang down. That is adorable. And then you've also got some little dots and some little dashes here that you could use to distress your page or stamp on there. And then it's got the hope, joy, love, and peace words that match your letters on your cards. And then it's got a little piece of washi tape that says love notes. How adorable is that? I'm loving that. I can't wait. Okay, and then we're going to go with, this says, spread hope, peace, love, and joy like confetti. And there must be confetti in here. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and snip this at the top. So in case I want to use this little sack, I can use that in my journaling too. And also I could remove this sticker if I wanted. And did it, nope, there we go. I'm like, oh, it didn't do the page. And then you've got some little, what's in here? Some little felt confetti dots. So you could also add these into your little Bible journaling book or your journal or whatever you're using. That's pretty awesome. I'm going to have to try that. So that is everything you get in the new the second Grace and Gratitude kit. I'm loving it. I can't wait to get started on this. When we finish up our 30 days, we'll just start right on with day 31 in Psalms. It looks like closeness. So anyway, I'll go ahead and put a link to just the kit and also the add-on kit in case you want to get both down in the description box. And don't forget that that will not be available until November 19th this year. So if you head over to the store, it will say it's sold out. It's just because they're not going to make it live until that date, so you'll be able to go head over and grab one. So I hope to see you. And if you aren't following me over on Instagram, I've been posting pictures of my daily days that I'm doing in my Grace and Gratitude 100 Days book. So if you're interested in that, head over to Instagram and do that. And I'm going to try and do a flip through of my book in case here on my YouTube channel, so that you'll be able to see the pages after I've done like 15. I'll try to get to that. So anyway, I hope you're having a fabulous day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.